This is an introduction to surd. When we say surd, what does it mean? Surd is the root of positive rational numbers, which cannot be further simplified into whole numbers. Now, first of all, when you want to understand surd, you have to know your square numbers. What are square numbers? Square numbers are the result you get when you multiply a number by itself. An example, 1 times 1 equals 1. So 1 is a square number. 2 times 2, a number multiplied by itself, the result is 4. So 4 is a square number. 3 times 3, the answer is 9. So 9 is a square number. 4 times 4, the result is 16. So 16 is a square number. 5 times 5, the result is 25. So 25 is a square number. 6 times 6, the result 36. 36 is a square number. So these are your square numbers. Your square numbers in that order. So numbers that does not fall within the square numbers, you are going to square root it. So the square root of those numbers are your surds. So numbers that does not fall within these numbers are, we have 2. So square root of 2 become a surd. We have 3. 3 does not fall within this category. So square root of 3 become a surd. Square root of 5. Square root of 6. Square root of 7. In that order. So those numbers, square root of those numbers that does not fall within this category is known as a surd. And also, when a rational number is attached to these numbers, is also known as a surd. An example, when you attach 4 to one of these, it's also known as a surd. When you attach a rational number like 5 to this, it's also known as a surd. So this is what a surd. Now let's look at the meaning of this. The meaning of this. When we talk of this sign is not actually the square root, but it is called the radical sign. The radical sign. The radical sign. And the rational number within it is known as the radicand. Radicand. And the number here, the number written here, is known as the index. The index. So actually, this is what we should have write, or this is what we should have written square root of 5. But usually we don't bring the 2. We don't write the 2. We just leave it like that as this square root of what? 5. So when you want to write the 4th root of 5, you write it this way. 4th root of what? 5. So your 4 become your index. This sign, that's your radical sign, and this was your radicand.